Hi everyone, I'm going to do an update on the pond. Since we've had all of this rain, and more to come, so stay tuned. This was all dug out and expanded out. This is where I'm at. I may have to pull some of the dirt up to the banks if it continues up, especially over on this side here. You can see right here it's only got about a foot before it starts coming up. But it's banked up pretty good for the most part, just right in here. I'm still waiting for all the silt to settle. I did see some fish, small fish, kind of pop in the water. They're probably catfish. As you can see, we got more rain coming. This section right in here was about 20 feet deep originally, maybe a little more. But all this is dug down into the clay, into some limestone. Once it gets settled out, it'll be pretty nice. Thanks for watching.